Kesorkar kediban pynkhlain shuh ek jingai Tika Meghalaya ongka Dr. Richa Sharma kabelong kanong yalam jong kekenhun Indian Social Responsibility Network. Ban penkiu shuh ek jingai Tika Meghalaya ke US Agency for International Development kabelayo jingkrishan naka momentum routine immunization transformation and equity ringkat bat kejing trelang bat ke Indian Social Responsibility Network bat kinong shnong kenyele ban penkiu ek jingshim Tika Haribhoi District West Khasi Hills District, South Garo Hills District, but East Garo Hills District, Jangka Meghalaya. Habakren kilat pathai kubor Shillong Press Club ke Dr. Richa Sharma kalau ong bakatmi linti bakajing Tika Meghalaya kanlang kieu.
So, we are Indian Social Responsibility Network, ISRN. We are an NGO, national level non-governmental organization working in field of COVID-19 vaccination program in 10 selected districts of Meghalaya and Nagaland. So we are currently working in Nagaland and Meghalaya, in 6 districts in Nagaland and 4 districts in Meghalaya. And if I say 4 districts in Meghalaya, again I'll tell you it's West Khasi, South Garo, East Garo and Ribhoi. To support and amplify the government efforts in successful vaccinating the eligible population to cover the left out and non-vaccinated population above age 12. So now it is open for above age 12. So we are now focusing on above 12. With special focus on people with comorbidities and marginalized one such as tribal population, people living in hard to reach areas. ISRN has been doing different types of field level activities for amplifying the COVID-19 vaccination program in the state of Meghalaya. So we are doing awareness camps, we are supporting vaccination camps, we are doing wall writing for the awareness of people around, we are doing miking activity to let people around about the vaccination centers and about the COVID-19 vaccination programs. So we are doing IPC, interpersonal communication, going hard to reach areas. We are doing IPC, we are making them aware, we are one-to-one, we are interacting with people.
Tika benta pangila benta kada Shillong but benta ru ilas dang ki haki school seban ai awareness but ban ke wall writing ni ya tray ringkat bat kanika state bat kanika district apa district ni don ki DIU ni don ki bag support ini ki bayarap ingi haman bat pentrikam ya kanika ki activities ka bangi pentrikam apa ki Shillong jong kanika south di blocks di kata kanika kamram ka bangi napo ISRN ni tray saki Shillong.